What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm back in Wisconsin once again. I love this location. It's so great. Let's head in and see what's new. Hi. Hi.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you? Nice to see you. Got a nice clean cart. If you guys remember those Connect 4 boards that they had out, those are so good. I wish I would have gotten both colors. This is where I got my first one. I got an orange one, and it had green and pink pieces, and yes, they have more. I haven't seen them anywhere else. So I want to check. Okay, that's an orange one. Yay! I'm going to get a green one. So the green one has yellow and blue. These are actually really nice quality. I love mine so much. I've played with it so much. Okay, so green and orange I think are all we have. But I really love them. They're super sturdy and nice. The pieces are durable. I really love those. Let's head on over here. Oh yeah, we have poppets. I might have to get some of these. And then we have the little poppers here. And then these. I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. My kids love those. These are so cute, the little nets. Oh, the bubble wand containers are really cute this year. They're faceted. You have the little bubble play sets. Sky catchers. And this location finally got the light up cups too. I've only seen these in one other location. I love these. The cute little umbrellas. I think I have the same card I got last time. I think I'm gonna go exchange it. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't. It's already clean. Tough but sweet. Let's see if we have any new snacks over here. These are new. Coffee cereal. You have to be a hardcore coffee lover to want that. You know what? I'm gonna get a couple boxes just for fun. This side is still just all the grad stuff. They've been keeping it pretty stocked up. Oh, these are back. You guys, these are vegan. The Loma Linda Hawaiian bowl with pineapple and brown rice. I think these are vegan. Maybe they're not. Yeah, plant-based protein. 1 gram of saturated fat per pouch. 64 carbs. 13 grams of protein. 15 grams of sugar. The Hawaiian bowl with pineapple and brown rice. These are definitely new this week, you guys. We also have sun-dried tomato and basil, lemon and pepper. These are all wild-caught tunas, spicy Thai chili, chipotle, sriracha. We have tuna salad. We also have, is this the same? Lemon, sesame, and ginger. And this one is lemon and pepper. And then we have light tuna. 16 grams of protein per pouch. These are also brand new. Starkist Creations microwavables. This is a Thai green curry, wild tuna, rice, green chili, lime juice, coconut milk, and lemongrass, ready in 30 seconds. 2 grams of saturated fat. We have good fats too. 10 grams of protein, 3 grams of sugar, 18 grams of carbs. This sounds kind of good. I might have to come back and look at those. And then over here, we have a bunch of new flip-flops. Stripes. Believe in yourself. Yellow stripes. Sort of a Mendy design. Animal prints. Eat, Sleep, Beach. Those are really pretty colors. This one. The yellow and pink is so pretty together. Seize the day. Ooh, you guys, we have more new slides by Juncture. Pink. We have yellow. We have blue. Purple. Even more new flip-flops over here for little girls. Aw, this one's cute. The rainbow and the unicorn. I saw a brand new green and brown ice cream squishy in another location. And I know someone asked to see squishies. It smelled nice, it felt nice. I've always been really satisfied with the squishies from Dollar Tree. They make a really nice quality squishy. Let's head down here and see if we can find them. I think I have the same cart I had last time. That's my story every time, isn't it? Oh, these are so cute. Little first birthday tutus, I'm guessing. So cute. Ooh, the Play-Doh confetti is back. Love that one. Let's see if we have any new squishies. I don't see them here, not yet, but I just got here. So maybe I will. And then we have lots of canvases. Birdy wants a bunch of small canvases. And I had gotten some from Walmart. I wonder if this size is the same. No, I think those are bigger. Oh, this is new. All-purpose tacky glue. Bonds to paper, wood, ceramics, and more. And then we have the 3-pack of canvases. They're bigger. Yeah, you guys, I'm excited to look all around in Dollar Tree and share everything new with you guys. So definitely come back to the very next video. We're going to be looking at everything new for the week. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.